Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to take you through a quick tip that's going to help your ads stand out and grab people's attention when they're scrolling through their feed. So you might have been scrolling through your feed and seen some ads where in the body text it actually has like bold headline or italics. There's a website called YayText, and what it enables you to do is you can type in whatever text you want and it's going to spit it out to you in a whole bunch of variations, and then you can just copy that text and paste it in the top of your body text. Now, why would you do this? Well, often people are looking for a little edge to help them stand out and make their ads different to competitors and also different to the content that people are typically used to seeing in the Facebook feed. So sometimes all you need is a little tweak and you're going to grab that extra person's attention, which could potentially lead to a sale. So if you come on over here, I'll take you through the site. So if you head to yaytext.com, you can see the example I've just chucked in here, and I've put capitals just in headline text here, and you can see all the different variations that it has. To show you what it looks like in Facebook world, I've got the link here, but then I've also got the normal text that you would typically type, and then I've got the example of small caps here. You can see that the end of my name here has smaller capital letters. Then you've got bold sans, italic serif, bold script, and also full width. So I hope you could see that YayText is actually quite simple to use, and it could be effective in helping your ads stand out in the newsfeed. Now, I wouldn't get too fussed on this if you still don't have your campaign right, if you haven't split tested your different audiences, different messaging, different media, different offers and things of that nature. But sometimes you might just be looking for that one extra little tweak to split test something to see if you can improve the click-through rate and even potentially pull a few extra sales. So if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, as always, just shoot me a private message or hit me up in the comments below.